Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this easy pineapple cherry crisp. This is a yellow cake mix that I picked up from Aldi and I saw the recipe on the back and I thought I would give it a shot. It calls for 20 ounce of crushed pineapple and a 21 ounce cherry pie filling, some butter and some chopped walnuts, and of course the yellow cake mix.
I love this spatula, the spoonula. I guess they call them spoonulas. I got this as a gift for Christmas a couple of years ago from one of my supervisors, actually, and I treasure this little thing. It came with an oven mitt and a towel, I think. I don't know, I love it. Anyway, the recipe says to put the pineapple down first, so we're gonna, spray the 9x13. It doesn't say to drain the crushed pineapple, so we're just gonna go all in. Spread it out. Crush pineapple into pan, spread evenly, spread cherry pie filling on top of pineapple. Alright, now it says to put the cake mix on top. It doesn't say to sift it or anything, so I'm just gonna go right over top with it. It says to sprinkle the nuts over top. I'm just gonna even this out though. It doesn't say to do it, but I'm just gonna even it out. Why do I do this? Like, does this balance me out? Like, why do I do that? This says it's about 2 cups. I've used about half of it, so. Sprinkle nuts over the cake mix, and the nuts is 1 cup of chopped nuts. Now it says to put butter. Oh wait, how much butter? Half a cup. We're gonna use the whole stick. That's it. It doesn't say to cover it or anything. It's going into a preheated 350-degree oven, and it says to bake for 1 hour. So here we go. Oh my. This is what it looks like so far. Got about 1 minute and 23 seconds left. Here we go.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Friends, that's good. That's delicious.